everybody, welcome back to another episode of Final Fantasy XIV Endwalker. I'm not quite sure what happened in the last part, but we are doing another yearly events, seasonal events. We've come full, well, we came full circle, we came full circle I think around Easter. But we're back. It's the Make It Rain 2022 events. So, let's see what's going on in the Gold Saucer. Now that we've done pretty much all the seasonal events, all the NPCs will know us, so that'll be good. We're no longer strangers. Well, most NPCs, I should say. Wait, I know you. You're the case-cracking adventurer who came to our aid in the past. It's me, Alir, Gold Saucer attendant and de facto investigator at your service. See, he knows us. Well, the truth be told, it's your services that we really need. If we could spare the time, that is. What do you say? As you may have realized, we are currently in the midst of the Make It Rain campaign, a yearly festival during which we will hold a number of exclusive limited-time events. Though you may be surprised to hear it, there are still those who get to experience all the wonders that the Saucer has to offer. Thus have we, the staff of the Saucer, decided to take our show into town and spread the word. However, there's been one troubling development. Ever since we began this little campaign, one of my colleagues has been visibly out of sorts. Normally, he's the most careful, he's the cheerful of all of us, so let it suffice to say that we're deeply concerned. My colleagues and I have tried to look into the matter ourselves, but I fear the man is too proud of it for his own good, and refuses to admit anything that is the matter. And so, I thought, perhaps an accomplished sleuth like yourself might succeed where we have failed. So, what do you say? Sure. Thank you, good madam. Your generous service offer is most appreciated. The man is in question is currently on assignment in Limsa. I'll be heading there myself shortly after this. Let's rendezvous at the At Castle as soon as you're able. Okay. Let's do it. Oh, you think the last part we did was the Beast Tribe quest? That's right. Well, not. Oh, never mind. Scratch that. We started the Beast Tribes, but I had to put those into a full video, and that won't be for a while. Won't be for another at least. I'm rank 4 at the moment. Well, I'm about to go into rank 5 right now, so I've still got about another. Oh shit, probably. I don't know, maybe like 5-6 weeks before I'm actually ready to finish it. Ah, there you are. Majestic, isn't it? Of all the displays we painstakingly erected, this one may be the best showcases the sauce's myriad refined delights. As for the fellow I mentioned, it's him right over there. Cactar. Keeps spinning circles. Do you think it's quite alright? All I know is it's making me dizzy just looking at it. Hey you, can't you do anything else? Look, you've angered it! Or perhaps that was some manner of impromptu dance performance. In any case, I can't say that I'm terribly keen to see what it does next. Not when we have a table waiting for us at the Bismarck. So long, spiny whatever you are. Bystanders having departed, the senior sabotender slumped his shoulders in visible dismay. He's been like this ever since he got here. What say you? Will you speak with the senior sabotender for me and see if you can ascertain what ails him? Sure. Give me a spin. So I suppose it speaks no words. It's unclear if your message reached him. I would be shocked if it actually spoke. I don't think these things ever speak. He's pointing at something. The senior Sabo tend to rush off to the west. Perhaps he wishes to speak with you at a more secluded location. Okay. Let's see what it wants from us. Where am I going? Oh, that's too far. My apologies for dragging you all the way over here. Oh, who's this? Senior Sabotender isn't a real Sabotender? Surely you jest. Everyone knows it's a Lalafell in a costume. The name's Nanafon, and I happen to be that Lalafell. I'm just gonna say this right now. I didn't know that. I thought they were like I thought they were actual creatures. I didn't know they were costumes. You saw that just now, didn't you? I did my damnedest to convey the sheer splendor of the gold saucer with my usual grandiose gestures, but my audience was clearly unimpressed. Alas, my gradations and dilations are merely perplexing poses without the spectacles of the saucer itself. Would that could explain in my own words all they are missing out on. Well, don't I then? Isn't it obvious? Because we don't want to reveal the future patron of the senior Sabotender isn't a real Sabotender. Not until we secure their patronage at the very least. While I was donning my costume, I'm forbidden from uttering even a single word. Such a plight, you see. In despair, I'll be forced to depart this place without having succeeded at nothing but causing quizzical looks and utter confusion. I simply want to join my colleagues in spreading the word of the saucer's splendors across the realm. I could explain it for you. Assist? If you willing to assist us in our cause? Why not? What a kind and generous soul you have, my adventuring friend. Why, your sheer I always have trouble seeing this word. Magnanimity brings a tear to my eye. More than a few tears, even. What am I doing here crying? Must prepare to welcome you to our little troop. Pray let me know when you're ready, whenever you're ready. I hope you have a costume big enough for me. Ready for your first task? Excellent. Before that, however, allow me to give you an overview of our promotional campaign. We began the survey asking for people's impressions of the gold saucer. Reviewing the responses, we noted that the vast majority of patrons cited the attractions as one of the venue's main selling points. While it is true that our attractions are a highlight, there is, as you are well aware, much more to the saucer. So we got to thinking about how best to go about informing the world of our lesser-known delights. I came up with 4 main features of the saucer that I hope to promote to people. Which I'll explain first. The allure of a cactpot. Indeed, whether it's a mini cactpot, which casual players can enjoy as many times as 3 times a day, or the lucrative jumbo cactpot available once per week, both offer gold saucer patrons a chance to test their luck and reap lavish prizes, which I've never actually won myself. Easy to enter with incredible fortunes for the taking. The mini and jumbo cacpods are among the most popular ways to rack up MGP, which can then be exchanged for a host of alluring prizes. Dream big and enter the cacpot today! Only at the Mandeville Gold Saucer. Alright, what about this? Tell me about it! Though the saucer may seem way far away to many, being located at the edge of the Sagoli Desert, did you know that the airship passage is available entirely free of charge from all Eorzea's major cities? And though words wait you in the saucer's halls of the main attraction, I'll have you know that the journey via airship is a singular delight in its own right. So why not invite that special summon to soar through the skies on the way to the realm's premier leisure destination, the Mandeville Gold Saucer? How many coins toss away? The saucer's best kept secret. Oh, clearly I can stand before a woman of discerning taste, while the saucer here offers no end of games and attractions for fine patrons such as yourself are known to enjoy slipping away to our pool surface bar for a refreshing libation or two. That's right, we've assembled the realm's best barkeeps to prepare a plethora of potables, sure to wet your whistle and put you in the mood to marvel at the saucer's many wonders. Do be sure to stop by. And the last one, the lavish costumes of the staff. Keen eye for fashion, I see. Then you're sure to appreciate the unique costumes and couture, I think I said that right, worn by our staff, and a wardrobe prepared by the Sultanate's most esteemed tailors to meet the demanding aesthetic sensibilities of our owner, the incomparable Godbert Manderville. Be sure to bring something to cover your eyes. The sheer gorgeousness of these ornate outfits is likely to blind you if you do not. That's right, yes, that's right. The Mandeville Gold Saucer is a veritable gallery of the most glamorous garb our civilization has ever seen. Not really. I'm not a fan of it. Well, how'd that sound? I dare say I've done a remarkable job of distilling the essence of the sauce's appeal to concise verbiage. Simply remember all that verbatim and you'll be ready to help us spread the word of the saucer wherever you go. And with that, I do believe it's time for us to get the show on the road. Allow me to see to my preparations, and we can convene at the Act Castle when we both are ready. Good? Good. Okay. He's pumped. He's pumped and ready for work. Alright. This is probably one of the things where the multiple choice thing. So that costume looks too small for you. Like, way too small. You can feel Nana Vaughn's intense gaze upon you from within the Saba tender costume. You're filled with determination to share the wonders of the gold sauce with the residents of Limso Immenso alongside your succulent companion. Okay, I would not describe him that way, but alright. The hell's you want, Darlander? Set your business quick and you best hope it's worth me while. Oh boy, this will be a tough sell. These guys look like they want a drink. The gold bloody saucer? Why would any pirate in her right mind set foot in that twinkling hellhole? Alright. Have you dreamed of winning a fortune? Let me tell you plain. No, I don't bloody care. Now get out before I get you and send you to sleep with the fishes. Damn. Do you want to feast your eyes on the world's most gorgeous garb? Okay, well, rip. Fine, go for that one. Special someone? Just who the hell would that be? Perhaps your crew could use respite. A certain pirate captain might appreciate the gesture. Who now? If you're implying what I think you are, I'd sooner keelhaul myself than spend one instant with that lying whoreson. You'd not catch me dead going to your stinking gold saucer with. Bah! Just bugger off already. Oh, rip. I can't tell if I was successful or not. Alright. That was gonna be a tough sell. Alright, so we gotta go to the Culinarian Guild, huh? Alright. Hey, so how about the Mouth Guildmaster? You should be easy, right? What you got here? I figure you're a fair share pricklier than the folks that we usually show up here at the Bismarck. This is Senor Sable Tender. The what now? You're from that eyesore in the desert. Never been there myself. I'm afraid I'm much too busy with for them silly games. New dishes don't think themselves up. Come on, guy, work with me here. I've saved your restaurant. You can partake in the libations and delight in the most discerning cure. You don't say. The inspiration could do some refreshing. I'll pay the saucer of yours a visit, just as soon as I know me apprentices won't burn this place down in the meanwhile. That was easy. Alright, I'm not sure where I gotta go next, so let's check the map and see where we gotta go. Hawker's Alley and the Fisher Guild, huh? Hey, it's Kyokyo. Kyokyo Room welcomes all welcome. Oh god. Customer may be welcome. No, not customer. Not come with custom. Sparklies? Kyokyo loves sparklies. Kyokyo can find sparklies in his gold saucer. Yes. You can become a gillionaire. Sparklies, lots of sparklies. Kyokyo Rune loves sparklies more than customer. Kyokyo Rune, go to gold saucer straight away. Come back with many sparklies. Let's hope your gambling luck pays off. Mine certainly doesn't. Alright. Let's go talk to the old fisherman. Hey, guy. Bawalago. Here, Chovy Chovy, gods, you're no Chovy. Nay, from crayfish to catfish, gobby to gudgeon, I've seen my share of sea creatures, but there's not a puffer in these parts so pointy as you. If it's sparkled spectacular spines, you seek none other than Senor Sabatender. You're one suave Sabatender, certainly. So much so I suspect you sailed in from the Gold Saucer. So sorry, but I'm sorry to say that soul of the sea types like yourselves truly aren't suited to sordid guild seeking. Simpler pleasures are my preference. Come on, guy, don't be like that. Let's go with this. What's that, sissy say? Can I assume that this gorgeous garb adorns the figures of lasses, both buxom and bonny? Well, why don't you say so sooner? I'll net the next airship to the saucer of yours. Still, we should keep this between you and me and the Sabatender. Let Sissy Poo assume I'm off to an extended angling excursion. Yeah, she'd be on your ass. You know, I never really noticed that, like, their suits glow in the dark. Yes! You know, you almost never really notice because it's never dark in the Gold Saucer. Can I have a feel the crowd is sparser than it was just before? Senior Sabatender, there you are! I have urgent orders from our superiors. All staff are to conclude their missions and make preparations to return to the saucer post-haste. What's going on? Something trouble. Sure. I'll take it you're be coming on back as well. So pray come to the landing as soon as you're able. It's gotta be hard to run in that thing. I mean, that costume already looks pretty small enough as it is. Look at this gathering. So, where can a man give himself one of these drinks that are saying are the talk of the realm? Ah, clearly you're an individual of discerning taste. Right this way, my good sir. As you can see, business is booming. I'm pleased to say that we're even welcoming quite a few new guests from Lomensa. Clearly, the efforts of my colleagues have paid off more ways than one, and they could have not done it without you. Master Rollin will doubtless be thrilled. With that, we could continue our promotion efforts afield for a little while longer, but I fear that we need every able-bodied attendant here at home to deal with the ever-burgeoning crowds. That's your cue, Senior Sabatender. Let's give our guests a warm welcome, Gold Saucer style. God, it must be a hard job. In any event, I thank you. Not only have you helped us expand our clientele, but, as you can see with your own eyes, the senior Sabaton is back to his typical energetic self. As his colleagues and his friend, I cannot begin to express my gratitude. I can, however, offer you this as a token of our thanks. Till our paths cross again, may your fortune smile upon you at the saucer. Sure. Get some invisible item I stuffed in my back pocket. Do I even have pockets in that dress? Got an emote. Alright. New emote for me. And while I'm here, might as well indulge myself in a mini cactpot. How much MGP do I even have? I don't even know. I haven't really messed with it on this character. I need at least 300,000 if I want a certain amount. And since MGP is like 50% increased now with the event going on, I remember spending like a literal whole week in this area a couple years back when I was trying to get the Fenrir mount. You need like a million MGP for that thing. All right, Brit. Oh, the Lockbrits are here. Okay, so that's going to be it for this part. That was the Make It Rain Campaign 2022 events. So, I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm trying to think what the next part will be. I don't know if it'll be the Beast Tribe video or if it'll be another event or it'll be the new patch story. I don't know. Whatever comes out, I will see you in the next part. So, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you then. Later.